Hey brother, Stuart, Motola, men's relationship coach, and I'm going to talk to you in this video about the rager, the critic, and the bully. Two versions of this up front. See if one of these apply to you. One is the external rager, a guy's acting it out. Okay. The other is what I call the inverted rager. It's like an inverted ethos, meaning it turns back on himself because he's fearful of letting it out on others. So it becomes a real intense, tyrannical self-bully. And it can have a script of you're a loser, you're a failure, you'll never get this right, your life is screwed. So if either of those dynamics are going on for you, the rager or the inverted rager, hang out. I'm going to give you some tools in this video that are going to help you. Up front, if you're liking this, please like or follow me on this platform, or subscribe to my channel to the lower right if you're watching on YouTube. So the first guy, the rager, he slams doors, he yells, he unleashes it on his wife or partner, people he loves, and often he feels really crappy about it afterwards. He says, this has to change. I can't keep going like this. I'm losing trust. I'm not getting what I want. And yet there's a small part of him that's also like, well, damn, it feels so good just to let that out. And he doesn't know how to work with that. And I mentioned the second guy whose rage gets suppressed, inverted, and he turns that back on himself. And I mentioned, he might have a script in his head of, you're a loser, you're a failure, you're never going to be able to get things to work in your life or in your marriage. I want to be clear, brother, both of these are parts of you. The rager, the inner bully, the critic, these are parts. They're not you. Okay? So when you get that and you understand that individuation, then you're in a better chance to actually have a relationship with this part of you. See what it wants, help it get what it wants in a way that doesn't sabotage your higher vision of your life and your higher mission, which for most people is just to have meaningful, loving relationships, purposeful work, and a good life. This is about you getting free, brother, from a part of you that can really cause you a lot of damage, between you and you in that form of the critic, or between you and your loved ones in the form of you just going off now and then. And I want better for you. And if you want better for yourself, check out some of the links to my work below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a kick-ass day. Bye.